Hello everybody, welcome to Fluidity of Life. Today I'm in the bathroom. I got a plugged up shower head. Bathtub faucet. It's got low pressure, so I'm trying to figure out what exactly is the problem. It seems like the water's come on out of the main, but when you turn the shower on, you got very low pressure in the shower, so I think it's the diverter, so let's see. Right here you got the faucet, hot water, and I took off the diverter already. Usually hand tight, you just lefty loosey and righty tighty. And I took it off, as you see, and I'm soaking it in vinegar and baking soda. I'm gonna leave that sit for a while to see if I can get rid of some of that calcium and build up and stuff. It's been 17, 18 years, so probably should be replaced, but I'm gonna just try to do a quick fix to see if it works. Of course, you should turn off the water main. You have to take off the faucet here. I would probably have to turn off the main thing because you don't want to be messing around too much and break a pipe or something, and then also you're gonna have water going all over the place. So right now I'm just gonna work with the diverter and hopefully that fixes it. As you see with the diverter off, it seems to be running okay. It's not the quickest pressure. I think inside the faucet area you can adjust the pressure. It's kind of low, but it's better than coming out of the shower when you pull the thing for the diverter. So as you can see, I'm hoping just by cleaning out the diverter will help. Okay guys, I'm back. I found a problem, I think, with the divider. There's a little rubber seal here. I think it's kind of worn a little bit. You can probably just replace that pretty easy. Go into the hardware store, or you can probably replace the whole divider. Probably fairly pretty cheap, I guess, if you go to the thing. But since I think it just needs to be a little bit snug, I found a little, and then I'm going to put this little seal, rubber seal back in, and then hopefully I got a tight seal so it plugs up the water coming out of here and it should convert it up to the shower head. So let's see how that works. As you can see, this just goes right back on here. You just slide it back in here. Push that back on there so it's on there. And then hopefully this will tighten. See, it feels pretty tight now as I'm pulling this. So before this kept falling down every time I lift up the plunger here. So keeping those little parts in your box, your washers and screws and all that stuff that men save or whatever that their wives don't like can help out. And I'll have to run up to the store hopefully, so let's see how it works. Alright, we're back into the bathroom now. I got that rubber seal back in, put it in there, and it seems a lot tighter now, so I'm going to screw it back on to the faucet, onto the pipe, and see if I got some pressure now and see if I get some water coming out of my shower head, because there was nothing coming out of it at all. So let's see. Okay guys, I let this soak for a while to get some of the sediments out. This is pretty basic, as you can see. It's just lift up and down, and when you pull this, it's supposed to get a suction inside here that'll plug the water up and it should convert it up to the shower head. Okay guys, I got the faucet diverter back together. As you can see, actually there was a seal on the pipe side that was I guess completely gone, so I had to put a little seal right after you take this off. Then there's a little spot, I guess there's supposed to be a little rubber seal on there, so I put the seal on that side, and I tightened up the plunger side, as you can see. No, actually that stays up. Before it just fell back down, so it wasn't converting water back up to the shower. I didn't have no water at all coming out of the top. So let's see here. As you can see now, at least I got a little bit of water pressure coming out of there. Before there was none at all. So actually the faucet diverter was the problem. I might have to, still got a little bit of a leak there coming down. That should be completely sealed and no water coming out of there. So I'm probably going to have to replace the whole at least the shower head's working now. I'll have to switch the whole faucet diverter completely because that's the seal's still not sealing properly, so I'm gonna have to get a new one of these, and then it should be working properly. At least now I can take a shower now. At least you're getting a little bit of water pressure out of the top. So I hope that helped to solve a problem with low pressure on the shower and bathtub area. There, if there's still low pressure, you can go to the main hot and cold water in the basement or wherever you got it. It might be turned down. You can turn it up, or there's 2 screws inside here. If you take this apart, usually an Allen wrench to take off the handle, and then there's 2 screws, and then that comes off. There's two regular screwdriver. There's you can put it up higher, or for higher or low pressure. Then I might have to do 2 later on, but that's another job later on. So for now, I hope that helped you out. So thanks for coming, the Fluidity of Life. And I hope you enjoyed my vlog. Bye for now. See ya.